Hadith, while a notion of knowledge for some, can be one of the most controversial topics for others, both for Muslims and non-Muslims. Some reject the entire Hadith corpus, while others defend every single Hadith as if it's the verse of the Quran. And in between these two positions lies a whole spectrum of views that modern thinkers have taken. Within this spectrum, which position does Sayyid Nursi occupy? In his attempts to defend matters of Iman, how does he approach weak Hadith? Does he offer principles of matan criticism when it comes to problematic Hadith? And after offering those principles, does he actually apply them? Join me as we venture into the magnum opus of Sayyid Nursi, the Risale-i, and learn his methodology and usul in regard to Hadith. I look forward to seeing you there.